hearts igniting, basslines thumping, spirits climbing, king above kings, his light shining, choir ascends, voices aligning. Feet on the earth, but my soul's in the sky. Mountains tremble, even stars comply. Glory reigns eternal, can't deny. Crown of thorns, now the throne so high. Hands raised up, shadow dissolve. Mysteries deep, only he can solve. Every broken chain he'll absolve. In his name the world revolves. Thunder cracks, but he stands still. Peace and chaos bend in will. All creation bows, it's his thrill.
He's the king, king of all kings. Every heart beats his name, it sings. The universe bends to his wings. Our Jesus reigns, eternal strings. He's the king, king of all kings. Every heart beats his name, it sings. The universe bends to his wings. Our Jesus reigns, eternal springs. He's the king,
king of all kings. Every heart beats his name, it sings. The universe bends to his wings. Our Jesus wings, eternal springs.
clouds split open, a golden blaze. Grace pours down, endless days. Every tongue and tribe in praise. Kingdom unshaken, his He's the king, king of all kings. Every heart beats his name, it sings. The universe bends to his wings. Our Jesus reigns, eternal springs.
He's the king of all kings. Every heart beats his name, it sings. The universe bends to his wings. Our Jesus reigns, eternal springs.
Clouds black king, eternal springs.
Fingers trace the stars, cosmos in my palms. Mountains whisper wisdom, I hear their songs. Heartbeat thumps louder, echoes through the sky. Each breath a miracle, I'm alive, I can't deny. Dust turns to gold, every step's ordained. Through valleys of shadow, your love unchained. Eyes on the throne, though the path seems steep. Faith the fortress strong, I'll never fall asleep. Light breaks the fog, true split in the head. Soul ignites in the furnace of prayer. Glorious heights, you carry me higher. Set my soul ablaze. Eternal fire. Glorious heights, your name I shout. In you my doubts burn Rivers carve a stone, patience in the stream. Your hands mold the clay, sculpt in my dream. Voices in the wind, ancient, divine. Every beat of the drum, your rhythm, not mine. Thunder in my chest, the bass lines roared. Every storm I face, you're the open door. Colors ignites in the furnace of praise.